Hello all, welcome to our channel. So any particular website, in your website traffic purpose, how to use Quora? Quora will be two options. One is called you can write question first. Or else some other give question, you can write answers. Two things. But if you do any one mistake, the Quora will account will be suspended. Be careful to do the Quora submission. Don't give the more links to the submitted on your particular website. First of all, Quora is the forum submission website. This is the only for question and answers. Suppose you have anyone doubt about any coding, you can ask question itself. They give answer. And if some other ask question, you can give to the particular answer. In this purpose, I have to log in first of all my account with your Google. With this purpose, I can use my website purpose using will be Quora option. Quora is the very much of strong backlink for your website. Same like that, I'll give one more instruction. If you do the wrong way method, your account will be suspended immediately. Resuspend also we can apply, but be careful to use the Quora. It's not a link submission website. Any question you can give answers. First of all, what are the service you will be using for here that we can utilize your particular option. So where is the option will be here? Just I'm writing for a few more categories I'm selecting. Put for the notification option. This is the Quora front-end scheme. It is completely new. First of all, any account will be created. First option is called. What are the option will be called? Your settings. Which profile you will be create? First thing you have to update your setting option. Which profile you created, setting will be not properly done. Nothing will be work out. Why? Because in your setting option, we can add your name, description in the link. Everything will be properly suitable. Change password, select city. Which city you will be available? The city you can mention will be here. Not India. Done. So they will not have access to Hyderabad. You can give by India option. So after that, you can connect with the first one, Twitter and Facebook. If you're interested, click for Twitter. So what is the use? What are the question you will be uploaded? We can share from Twitter automatically. So what will happen? The question represented by your Twitter, the clicks will be happening, they come to your website. Everything is called is one kind of connection to one account to another account. Your profile is more powerful. What are the content sharing on your page? Immediately you can daily wise share your profile option mandatory field. What are the content you share? Compulsory profile sharing is mandatory field. So coming to this one, Facebook and Twitter will be connected, Google connected. We can go to this option, privacy, display, email notification, languages, and we can go for the subscription billing. Click for home. So what is my website will be called CCTV purpose. Go to this, search will be CCTV camera install. Are there CCTV camera installations in theater? Why? CCTV camera installation illegal in India. What is the process of CCTV camera installation? So same like that, Hyderabad. What are the CCTV install services in Hyderabad? So they ask someone asking question. What we can give? Click the question. See, question will be created will be here. Who will be create the question? Somebody question added by which one? Thumbs up. So what we can call? There is the showing will be called. What is it? Answer. Answer how to writing. What are the CCTV installation services in Hyderabad? So we can go to this. First of all, that content you create on your particular website. So here, Hyderabad. Copy this. So they're asking only for particular brands. This is Hyderabad. Our CC camera brands are CP Plus, HK Vision, Dua, and Honeywell, Prama, ESSL, CCTV camera dealers near me, and we can using for these options. So this is the dealer near me. What? Why? Because you're writing for answer. Answer one, answer will be same. Instead, suggestion near me is not required. Hyderabad, SD camera, IP camera, Wi-Fi camera, PTZ, CCTV camera installation services. This complete one, give this link. You can add will be simple. Read more. So we can call for read more option will be here. So in this what we can call image and text. So this is the choose your credential. What are the credential you have? Employment, education, location. Location wise, type of search. Start here, anything. Currently here. CCTV camera. How many followers are there in credential? CCTV camera. Almost all 14,131 followers are there. 23, 27. Which is you can select it. Which followers are more? That will be selected. Credential nothing but related people category selection. So CCTV camera. Currently live here. So you can go with the option. So they check the everything. Add credentials. So they have to verify it and they will show with the next option. So how many people will check with the this years? So click the add credential. Now click for your particular option. Here is that add image. Any relevant image you have, we can use this. In particular image will be here. Which image you design? Click this and post it. Or the credential done. So here is the what are the posting will be here. That is a particular question you will be comment. So if you want any comment will be here, add the comment option. More details you contact through my website also will be there, but is not required that information. And major one is called your image and everything important. Image you can add along with the logo and website link by design image by 500 by 500 logo size. Everyone at like create that line same logo with the near below using the website link. That logo you can replace by the all kind of settings. Change it for images. Logo below will be images. Everyone design will be like this and upload will be here. Next, same like that. Another people asking your question will be, what are the decent CCTV camera in Hyderabad? So people will be here. More, see this. What they're writing will be link. So when you're writing will be link is not appropriate. So when coming to this screen, here, people asking this question is the question will be here. So where you can writing for your comment section. So what are the comment section will be here? So that will be ask a question, notify me. So here is the option. So CCTV camera in Hyderabad. They're asking question and answer. Same like that. One more important. What is called answer? Click this here. What are the some Urdu books here? They everything will be here. Sir, how we can writing your question? That is the main question will be here. So that is called here. What is that? Your followings. First of all. Next will be. What is the main following will be? CCTV camera. Reason? Our website will be complete for CCTV camera. Click it. What is that? Add question. Click here. Create a post. Create a post option. Here is the something you will be create will be lines will be here. So everything will be into the particular lines. The line will be copy. See automatically when I mean clear the link, what you can display will be here. See this. Is it clear? Once you submit link, automatically represented by your image. Click for post it. There is a create post option. CCTV camera dealers and installation services in Hyderabad. People read information when you click here. They go to where your traffic. This is your traffic. So daily, how many posts you can do? Only one post. That is the important. Okay. This will be very strong backlink for your website. What are the posts you done? Everything will be here is the option. We can go to the draft. This will be edit. What are the pendings we have? Everything will be in your post option. So in a below, we can add the all options. Is it clear? Next one, coming to part of here, add question. What is the question? Start your question will be here. Questions. Sorry, I don't know how to add the question will be. First of all, you can ask the will be with method. So here, see this one. First of all, same question, copy, paste on Google. What are the best CCTV camera brands available? Best CCTV camera dealers in Hyderabad. Wireless CCTV camera dealers in Hyderabad. So this kind of keyword you have to select it. Next, best surveillance CCTV dealers in Hyderabad. So see this. The question you can ask. So now we can what we can changing for here. You can write your own question. What I'm writing question will be here. Simple. What are the decent wireless CCTV camera in Hyderabad? So why you can writing your question will be into this. Your profile also will be using the here. And one more thing is called this question use on your blogs also. Not only keywords. We can use this keyword on blogs also. What will happen? People read your content, they come to your website. So blogs, not only keyword. We can use these questions and upload on your blogs also. Any kind of services. That is the we can use. So what are the recent wireless CCTV camera in Hyderabad? Below see there. Recent. Where can I buy the CCTV camera in Hyderabad? This keyword you can utilize them. That is the main important key point. What are the best CCTV camera brands available in Hyderabad? Is it clear? This is the important option. Add your question. Done. So they will asking for suggestion. Wireless to wireless, CCTV camera to camera in Hyderabad. Yes. Your question are posting. CCTV camera your topic and click for done. Your question was post. Following one. So how many people will give answer? Final give the which answer will be provided. Add your comment. That's your task. Is it clear? Blogs should be right question and answer also. Answer will be simple. Answer. These are the brands available. You can write answer. Below, you can write your complete website information. So what will happen? There people read your question, they come to your website. Is it clear? This is the main follow your particular option. I'll show one example will be here. This one will help onto the traffic will be more generate on your particular website also. So blogs will not only keyword, write this question and keep it on your website and use this more will be help. That is the mainly target. So here I'm asking for question will be here. Any people writing answers, they will be answers will be shown to the particular customer. So you're writing what are the questions you have. Anything we can checking will be here is the particular option. So see this. How do I install the CCTV camera? People asking one question. You can give answer. So if you want to look into CCTV install services, please contact. You can give the link. Understand? Not give this much of information. Any user, people writing anything, don't give this much of information. Are looking for 100% results of the CCTV installations. Are you looking for that? You can contact through so and so website. See there. What is the overwind and the CP plus CCTV comparison? If you want to know the details, please contact my website. Simple. That is the simple answer to give the particular user. So some people about swimming pool, they will search. How I'm showing for CCTV. Some people looking for swimming pool. What is that? Is the benefit of swimming pool what is called less fat or what is called will getting for breath levels will be controlled or not? Anything? Please contact with our website. We'll let you know. Please contact for the more details. I will give the complete information. Simple terminology we can use by using link. Phone number you can use it, but what will happen? They can't come into your website. That is called we can add to come to the website to the particular users. Is it clear? So this is the way you use the Quora. Any further question on Quora, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe